Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy ANWU on MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is properly set up and secured. ANWU is a decentralized token, and MetaMask provides a safe way to interact with decentralized applications. We'll cover everything from funding your wallet to seeing your new tokens. Before you can buy ANWU, your MetaMask wallet needs to be funded. You'll typically need Ethereum, or a stablecoin like USD, as the base currency for the swap. Purchase your chosen cryptocurrency from a trusted exchange, then carefully transfer it to your MetaMask wallet address. Always double-check the network and address to avoid any loss of funds. Now it's time to swap for ANWU. Navigate to a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap v2, and connect your MetaMask wallet. It's crucial to use the correct ANWU contract address when searching to prevent scams. Once you've selected ANWU, input the amount you want to buy, review the transaction details, and confirm the swap through your MetaMask wallet. Finally, to see your newly acquired ANWU tokens, you'll need to add them as a custom token in MetaMask. You'll use the official ANWU contract address, which is 0x2E2E7A1F059466X2B43B99E3 FC2984 Fa7D7E3BC. Simply copy and paste this into the Import Tokens section of your wallet. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.